Welcome to the Task Aviator tutorial. Notice board is a place where you will find information or events which are related to the project or organization. In this tutorial, you would learn how to broadcast any information or event to selected people or groups. Click on the Notice Board tab in the left panel. Click on the Create button. Enter the required details. Click on the Share To drop-down to select the members. Click Create button to create a new notice. The notice will be visible to the selected members. The whiteboard is a place where one can view project updates. The following tutorial will guide you to how to use the whiteboard. Click on the Whiteboard tab, located on the left panel. The details of the first project from the drop-down menu will be displayed. You can select the project by clicking on the Select Project drop-down menu. Project phase and related task will be displayed by default. You can also view the details of bugs, notes, and members by clicking on their respective tab. In the Projects tab, you can view the project status and its progress. In this tutorial, you will be guided on how to create a project and view it. Click on the Projects tab on the left panel. Click on the Create button. A new page will be displayed. Enter the required details, such as project title. Select the category from the drop-down or add a new category by clicking on the Add button. Set the priority. Choose the project timelines by hour or by date. Assign project members from the Assign Member drop-down list. You can also add new members by clicking on the Add button next to it. You may choose the client from the Assign Client drop-down list. Assign a project manager from the Select Project Manager drop-down list. Select the Include Phase checkbox if you want to create different phases in your project. Once you have clicked on the Include Phase checkbox, you will have to click on the Add Phase button to create new phases. Make sure that the sum of all phases should be 100%. Enter the project description. Click on the Email Notification checkbox to send project notification to assigned members. Click on the Create button. You can search the project by typing the project name in the Search Project field. You can also filter the list using the Status filter. Click anywhere in the project row to view the project details. You can view the details by clicking on the respective tab. Timesheet is a place where one can log their effort on a particular task. The following tutorial will guide you in how to fill the timesheet. Click on the Timesheet tab located on the left panel. Current week timesheet will be displayed. The user can change the week from the Select Week drop-down list. Click on the box in front of day to enter the number of hours worked. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the required data. Please note, you will not be allowed to enter more than 23 hours in a day. To apply for a holiday, you will have to select Holiday from the Projects drop-down list. For any holidays, vacations, leaves, and unassigned should be selected in the Projects drop-down list. Click on the Submit button to submit the time. Please note that an email notification will be sent on Monday to the user if he or she fails to fill timesheet for the previous week. In the Bug Tracker tab, you can report a project bug and track its fixes. The following tutorial will guide you how to post a bug and track their update. Click on the Bug Tracker tab located on the left panel. The Bug Tracker page will display all the posted bugs. To post a bug, click on the Post Bug button. A new page will be displayed. Select Project from the Select Project drop-down list. Enter the title of the bug in the Title field. Fill the other required fields. Assign the bug to the member from the Assign Member drop-down list, who will be responsible for fixing the bug. Add the description in the Description field. You can also attach related files or log using the Choose File button. Click on the Post button to submit the bug. You can search the specific bug by typing the name of the bug in the Search Bugs field. Click anywhere in the bug row to view the details of the bug and comment on it. Click on the Reply button. A pop-up will appear. You may change status of the bug and post your comment. The expense is a place where one can keep track of all the expenses of a given project. The following tutorial will guide you how to calculate expenses of a project. Click on the Expense tab, located on the left panel. The details of all the previous expenses added will be displayed on this page. You can view the details of each expense by clicking on the respective row. To add an expense, click on the Add Expense button. A new page will be displayed. Fill all the required details. Select the project from the Select Project drop-down list. You can also attach a file by clicking on the Choose File button. click on Add Expense button to submit. The invoice is a place where one can generate an invoice and send it to the client. The following tutorial will guide you how to generate the invoice of a project. Click on the Invoice tab, located on the left panel. The details of all the previous invoices created will be displayed on this page. You can view, send email, or download any invoice using given buttons. You can also edit a drafted invoice using the given button. To create an invoice, click on the Create Invoice button. A new page will be displayed. Select the project from the Select Project drop-down list. Add other required details on the page. Select the user who you want to send the invoice to from the Select Email To drop-down list. You can also add an email by clicking on the Add button. Fill the other relevant fields. Click on the Add Cost button. A pop-up will appear. Select the type of cost from the Select Type drop-down list and fill other required details, and then click on the Add button. Add bank details. You can save the invoice as draft by checking the Save Draft checkbox. You can also send the invoice to the designated person by clicking on the Send Email button. Estimate is a place where one can provide estimate of a given project or work. The following tutorial will guide you how to view and generate an estimate of any project. Click on the Estimate tab, located on the left panel. The details of all the previous estimates created will be displayed on this page. You can view, send email, or download estimates using given buttons. To generate an estimate, click on the Create Estimate button. A new page will be displayed. Select the project from the Select Project drop-down and then add a title of estimate. Select the users to whom you would like to send the estimate from the Send Email To drop-down list. You can also add an email by clicking on the Add button. Add other required details on the page. Click on Add Cost button. A pop-up will appear. On pop-up, select the type of expense from the Select Type drop-down list and fill other required details, and then click on the Add button. Click on the Save as Draft checkbox to save this estimate. You can also send an email to the selected contact by clicking on the Send Email button. Reports is a place where one can view the summary of the projects. The following tutorial will guide you how to generate and view reports. Click on the Report tab, located on the left panel. The list of all the project reports will be displayed on this page. You can choose to View Resource, Bugs, and Expense Report list by clicking on the respective tabs. To create a report, click on the Project checkbox, and then click on the Create button. Report will be downloaded in .pdf format on your computer. Similarly, you can also download other reports. Contact is a place where contact details of a member can be added. Group is a place where you can club members for ease of communication. The following tutorial will guide you how to add a member and create a group. Click on the Contact tab located on the left panel. A list of all your contacts will be displayed on this page. To create a new contact, click on the New Contact button. A new page will be displayed. Select Contact Type by using the Select Type drop-down list, and then select Email from the Select Email drop-down list. The rest of the fields will be automatically populated. Click on the Save button to add the contact. Click on the Group tab on the left panel. A list of groups will be displayed on this page. To create a group, click on the Create Group button. A list of all your contacts will be displayed on this page. Click on the checkbox against the contacts to select the members you want to add to the group. Click on the Create Group button. A pop-up will appear. Add the required details. Click on the Add button to create a group. Calendar is a place where one can create or add new events. The following tutorial will guide you how to use the calendar. Click on the Calendar tab, located on the left panel. Current month calendar will be displayed. Click on the Add Event button to create a new event. A new screen will be displayed. Fill all the required details. You can also share this event with other members by selecting the contact from the Share With drop-down list. Click on the Create button. Settings is a place where an admin can make the necessary changes based on the organization's requirements. The following tutorial will guide you how to manage the settings. Click on the Settings tab, located on the left panel. A new page will be displayed where all the settings are listed. The following can be done in this section. You can set the time zone. You can create new project category. About Plan shows the subscription details of the Task Aviator application. User Management will help admin to allow or block access to a Task Aviator. It will also enable the admin to renew Task Aviator licenses. Company Setting will help admin to add company-specific details. Role and Responsibility helps admin to create project-specific roles for their employees. User Access helps to give required permission to a member on a given project. Resources helps to view the member's project-related data. Thanks for watching this tutorial.